Namaste children. Welcome to the library session. Thought for the day. All good things come to an end. I repeat again. All good things come to an end. Okay children, I read with spelling. You are also read with me. All. A-L-L. All. Good. G-O-O-D. Good things. T-H-I-N-G-S. Things. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. To. T-O. And. A-N. And. End. E-N-D. End. All good things come to an end. Okay children, let us see the meaning for this proverb. Good experiences eventually come to an end. I repeat again. Good experiences eventually come to an end. Okay children, I read with spelling. You are also read with me. Good. G-O-O-D. Good experiences. E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C-E-S. Experiences. Eventually. E-V-E-N-T-U-A. Eventually come. C-O-M-E. Come. To. T-O. And. A-N. And. End. E-N-D. End. Good experiences eventually come to an end. This this is a recap session. In our previous session, we have learnt the story The Little Red Hen. There was a beautiful farm with many animals and birds. A hen also lived that farm. She was in red color, so we called her as Red Hen. One day, the red hen found some wheat grains, so she decided to plant the wheat. She called all birds in the farm to plant the wheat, but lazy birds refused, so she planted the wheat. When the wheat was ripe again, sorry, when the wheat was ripe, again she called her friends to take the wheat to flour mill. The birds didn't like to do this and so ignored. The hen itself did all the work to make a bread. Now the bread is ready. All the birds wanted share the bread, but the hen didn't share because the birds didn't do any work. Okay children, let us see the answer for previous session activity. Find the correct words. First one, RFMA. Correct word is form. Second one, HTWAE. Correct answer is wheat. WHEAT, wheat. Third one, GINRA. Correct answer is grain. GRAIN, grain. Fourth one, RDEBA. Correct word is bread. BREAD, bread. Fifth one, ROKW. Correct word is work. WORK, work. Okay children, this is a story time. Let us see a story. The story name is The Three Little Pigs. Story name is The Three Little Pigs. Once the three little pigs left their homes as it was time. They built their own houses. The mother pig advised them to do their best. The first pig took the easiest way and built a house of hay. Hay means straw. The second pig built a house with sticks, which was a little longer than the first one. The third pig remembered mother's advice and built a house with bricks. Soon a wolf came by. He huffed and blew the hay house. The pig ran to the stick house. The wolf huffed and puffed, and the stick house also came down. The two pigs ran to the brick house. The wolf huffed and puffed, but the house remained intact. The pigs knew that the wolf would enter through the chimney and kept a pot full of boiling water under it. The wolf fell right into the pot. Burnt, the wolf ran away, but the pigs learned the lesson. Moral for this story: hard work pays off. Moral of the story is hard work pays off. Okay, children, let us see the story once again with spelling. It's useful for your reading skill. The story name is The Three Little Pigs. THE, the three, 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 little, 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 pigs, 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 the three little pigs. Once, 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 the THE, the three, 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 little, 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 pigs, 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 left, 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 there, THEIR, there, ohms, HOMES, ohms, as, it, it, was, was, time, 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 they, they, built, built, there, their, own, own, houses, houses, houses. Once the three little pigs left their homes, as it was time, they built their own houses. The the mother, mother, pig, pig, advised, advised, them, them, to, do, their, their, best, best. The mother pig advised them to do their best. The the first, 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 pig, pig, took, took, the the easiest, easiest way, way, and and build, build a house, house, of hay. The first pig took the easiest way and built a house of hay. The the second, SCCOND, second, pig, pig, build, built a house, house, with, with sticks, 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 which, which was, was a little, little, longer, 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 than, than, the, the first, 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 one, one. The second pig built a house with sticks, which was a little longer than the first one. The the third, 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 pig, pig, remembered, 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 mothers, 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 advice, 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 and and build, BUILD, build a house, 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 with 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 bricks, BRICKS, bricks. The third pig remembered mother's advice and built a house with bricks. Soon, 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 a wolf, 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 came, 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 by, BY, by. Soon, a wolf came by. EHEE, uffed, HUFFED, uffed, and AND, and blue, BLEW, blue, the THE, the hay, HAYA, house, 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 E, uffed, and blew the a house. The TH, the pig, 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 ran, 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 2, TO2, the TH, the stick, 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 house, 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 the pig ran to the stick house. The THE, the wolf, 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 uffed, HUFFED, uffed, and AND, and puffed, 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 and AND, and the THE, the stick, 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 house, 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 also, 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 came, 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 down, DOWN, down. The wolf huffed and puffed, and the stick house also came down. The THE, the 2, TWO2, pigs, 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 ran, 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 2, TO2, the THE, the brick, 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 house, HOUSE, house. The two pigs ran to the brick house. The THE, the wolf, 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 uffed, HUFFED, uffed, and AND, and puffed, PUFFED, puff, but BUT, but. The THE, the house, 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 remained, 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 intact, intact, INCATACT, intact, INTACT, intact. The wolf huffed and puffed, but the house remained intact. The THE, the pigs, 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 knew, 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 that THAT, that, the THE, the wolf, 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 would, 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 enter, 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 throw, THROUGH, throw, the THE, the chimney, 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 and and kept, 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 a pot, 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 full, 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 of boiling, 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 water, 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 under, 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 it, it. The pigs knew that the wolf would enter through the chimney and kept a pot full of boiling water under it. The THE, the wolf, 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 fell, 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 right, 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 into, 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 the THE, the pot, POT, pot. The wolf fell right into the pot. Burnt, 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 the THE, the wolf, 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 ran, 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 away, 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 but, 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 the THE, the pigs, 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 learnt, 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 their, THEIR, the lesson, LESSON, lesson. Burnt, the wolf ran away, but the pigs learnt the lesson. Moral, MORAL, moral. Odd, HARD, odd, work, WORK, work. Odd work, pays, 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 off, OFF, off. Odd work, pays off. Okay, children, this is the recap session. Let us see a short recap of today's session. In this story, the three pigs went out of the house to build a new house for them. The first pig built a house with straws. The second pig built a house with sticks. And the third pig built a house with bricks as per their mother's advice. A wolf came that side and he damaged the house one by one. Finally, he tried to damage the third pig's house, but he could not damage it. So he thought to get inside through chimney. The pig also the pigs also guessed that, so the pigs kept boiling water pot right below the chimney hole. The wolf came down and fell into that pot. The pigs learned the lesson. Okay, children, this is your activity time. Find the meaning. First one, advice. ADVICE, advice. Second one, remember. REMEMBER, remember. Third one, UFD. HUFFED, UFD. Fourth one, intact. INTACT, intact. Fifth one, puffed. PUFFED, puffed. Okay, children. I hope you are all enjoyed this story. I will meet you again with another interesting story. Thank you, children.